Juniper JN0-460 exam practice questions with explanations are available in the video for you to study. In the context of wired assurance management, what is the primary purpose of service level expectations, SLEs? A. To define and track key performance metrics of network services. B. To schedule maintenance windows for campus switches. C. To manage user authentication and access policies. D. To determine available VLAN IDs for new device provisioning. The answer is A. Service level expectations, SLEs, in wired assurance are used to set measurable goals for network performance, e.g., throughput, connection time, reliability. They allow network administrators to monitor user experience and service quality over time. Mist AI leverages these to provide actionable insights and proactive alerts. In a campus EVPN-VXLAN deployment, what is a key benefit of using multipath forwarding? A. Reduces network bandwidth to save power. B. Enhances both redundancy and available bandwidth through load balancing. C. Eliminates the need for backup links by using a single active path. D. Prevents all forms of multipath traffic to avoid data loops. The answer is B. Multipath forwarding in EVPN-VXLAN enables equal-cost multipath (ECMP) routing. This provides load balancing across multiple paths and ensures high availability. If one path fails, traffic is rerouted, improving both redundancy and bandwidth utilization in the campus fabric. What core capability does wired assurance provide to simplify campus network operations? A. Automated monitoring and visibility into network performance. B. Installation of physical cabling infrastructure. C. Procurement of hardware and licensing. D. Integration with on-premises video surveillance systems. The answer is A. Wired assurance, powered by Mist AI, offers automated performance monitoring, AI-driven insights, and visibility into switch-level metrics like throughput, SLEs, and connection times. This simplifies troubleshooting and enhances overall network operations. In a campus fabric architecture, what is the main advantage of implementing a core distribution model? A. Introduces intentional latency to improve traffic shaping. B. Delivers scalable and highly available network infrastructure. C. Reduces the need for VLAN segmentation. D. Lowers bandwidth to decrease link congestion. The answer is B. The core distribution model in campus fabric designs separates traffic aggregation, distribution layer, from high-speed routing and redundancy, core layer. This enables better scalability, resiliency, and redundancy, supporting large, high-performance campus environments. In the context of wired assurance, which three sub-classifiers are part of the interface anomalies classifier? Choose 3. A. Negotiation failed. B. Jitter. C. Cable issues. D. MTU mismatch. E. Latency. The answer is ACD. In Juniper Mist Wired Assurance, the interface anomalies classifier detects issues related to the physical interface and link layer. Common subclassifiers include: negotiation failed, when speed duplex negotiation fails. Cable issues, physical cable faults or connectivity problems. MTU mismatch, mismatch in maximum transmission unit size between devices. Jitter and latency relate more to application performance and are typically handled under different classifiers like streaming quality or performance metrics, not under interface anomalies. In a campus fabric architecture, why is microsegmentation an important concept? A. It decreases overall network security for faster performance. B. It helps introduce traffic congestion for testing failovers. C. It improves granular network segmentation and enhances security policies. D. It eliminates the need for dynamic routing protocols. The answer is C. Microsegmentation in campus fabric allows fine-grained control of traffic between devices or user groups, often enforced using policies. This improves security by limiting lateral movement of threats within the network and supports zero-trust architecture. It's a key component of secure and scalable fabric designs. Which two features are included with a wired assurance subscription in Juniper Mist? Choose 2. A wired service level expectations, SLEs. B. Virtual Bluetooth Low Energy, VBLE, engagement. C. Switch templates. D. Marvis actions. The answer is AC. The wired assurance subscription includes features like service level expectations, SLEs, for tracking network performance, e.g., throughput, successful connects, DHCP, DNS service. Switch templates to automate configuration across similar switch types, improving deployment consistency and efficiency. VBLE engagement is part of a Mist Wi-Fi or location services license, and Marvis Actions is included in a separate Marvis Premium subscription, not part of basic wired assurance. In a campus EVPN VXLAN environment, what is the primary function of a VXLAN tunnel endpoint, VTEP? A. To provide traffic encryption across fabric links. B. To serve as a Layer 3 only routing device. C. To encapsulate and de-encapsulate VXLAN traffic between endpoints. D. To reduce network throughput for low-priority applications. The answer is C. A. VTEP, VXLAN tunnel endpoint, is responsible for encapsulating Layer 2 Ethernet frames into VXLAN packets for transport across an IP fabric and de-encapsulating them on the receiving end. This allows Layer 2 networks to be extended over Layer 3 infrastructure, enabling flexible and scalable EVPN VXLAN campus architectures. How do Mist AI accounts enhance the capabilities of wired assurance? A. They deliver AI-powered analytics and proactive network optimization. B. They physically strengthen the hardware against environmental damage. C. They offer special pricing for hardware and licensing. D. They integrate wired assurance with social media monitoring. The answer is A. Mist AI accounts bring advanced AI-driven functionality to wired assurance. This includes proactive insights, root cause analysis, and automated troubleshooting using data from switches and clients. These features help improve network reliability, performance, and operational efficiency. What is the primary objective of Juniper Mist wired assurance? A. To improve network visibility and simplify troubleshooting. B. To reduce overall network bandwidth usage. C. To implement advanced network security protocols. D. To provide financial risk management services. The answer is A. The main goal of wired assurance is to provide comprehensive visibility into the wired network and use AI-powered analytics to proactively detect and troubleshoot issues. This results in improved network reliability and faster problem resolution.